Hey everyone, Luke Salway here, CEO and Master Facilitator at Coachology, and I wanted to talk today about how you can reduce stress. Research shows us that more than 70% of doctors' visits are stress related. That's a lot. And we're talking about mental health here, and we're talking about how stress shows up in the body in the form of illness and disease and so on. So I want to share with you 3 quick tips on how you can reduce your stress. Number 1, simple, not easy, is learning to say no. We are often bombarded with requests from our boss, our friends, our co-workers and so on. Can you do this? Can you do that? Can you do this? And if you are a natural born people pleaser, your natural tendency will be to say yes. And then the stress comes. How am I going to fit this in? So learning to say no in a polite and respectful way will help you to maintain your mental bandwidth so you can keep doing what you need to do as your highest priority. So a good way to address that, if your boss, for example, says, hey, can you do this? Then you can simply say, well, boss, you've asked me to do this and now you're asking me to do this. Which one is the higher priority? All right, and then they decide. Good news is you only have to focus on one of those tasks at this moment. So learn to say no. Tip number 2 is going to be move your body. Now, what do I mean by that is when you are working, you're at your computer, you're doing whatever you're doing, you're making phone calls and so on, often we could totally lose track of time, and before we know it, it's the end of the day. So every hour, give yourself permission to have a 5 to 10 minute break and simply move your body. Stand up, take a stretch, do some, twists or whatever, keep your hydration up, do some conscious breathing, right? Just a few deep breaths in and out will help you to get refocused and re-energized to take on that next hour. Now, don't fall into the trap of, I've got so much to do, I can't take a break. No, studies again have shown if you're just working continuously without a break, your efficiency will actually decrease considerably. So again, give yourself the emotional permission to be able to take that break to re-energize. And the third tip I want to share with you today is embody a mindfulness practice. Whether you call that like a form of yoga or meditation or more conscious breathing in a longer aspect, then do what you need to do to be able to top up your battery at the beginning of the day. So for me personally, a meditation practice works the very, very best for me, starting from only 15 minutes to however long you can manage within your day. And the great news is that here at Coachology, we're providing a mindfulness program in just a few days' time right here in Bangkok, Thailand. And so if you want to learn a mindfulness practice that you can do in as little as 15 minutes to totally supercharge your day, then come and learn these specific tools created for leaders and business owners and entrepreneurs, created by Dr. Joe Dispenza, backed with neuroscience and practical applicable tools that you can apply in your daily life to manage your stress levels. You see, when we can manage our stress, when we move from this kind of survival state into creation, well, now you open yourself up to greater possibilities. You see, when we're in that kind of survival mode, it's not the time to create, right? We're just trying to survive. We're trying to get through the day. We're waiting for the 5 o'clock buzzer to go to finish our work. That's not the way to create new things. So you have to be able to manage that stress. Follow these 3 tips. Please come and join us at the Change Your Mind, Create New Results workshop created by Dr. Joe Dispenza, facilitated by yours truly, the only certified neuro change consultant in Asia. So please come and join us soon. Bye for now.